Globally, we've experienced an unprecedented pandemic that has brought about a humanitarian crisis in the form of the coronavirus, also known as Covid-19. In a bid to contain the spread of the virus and flatten the curve, crucial steps have been taken across many nations, and this includes the mandatory lockdown period. Though staying indoors and staying healthy are the most crucial ways to deal with this outbreak, for many people, it has brought about a feeling of utter helplessness in the face of widespread suffering and hardship. As people remain confined indoors with no means of income generation or productivity, their vulnerability increases each day. Through the Agape Family Care Livelihoods Program, Ruth Emmanuel-Makandiwa aims to reduce poverty and inequality by empowering less privileged households and by moving highly vulnerable households into sustainable livelihoods and toward economic stability, demonstrating her ministry of love to the less privileged in society. Ruth Emmanuel-Makandiwa partnered with Angel of Hope, led by the First Lady, Amai Auxilia Mnangagwa. The partnership would allow for extensive distribution of resources in areas that Agape Family Care is not operational.
To help our government in its efforts to sustain homes that have been greatly affected by the extended lockdown, Agape Family Care has donated to the able arm of Angel of Hope Foundation, led by our First Lady, Amai Auxilia Mnangagwa. The donation comprises of 100 tons of maize meal grain that will go a long way in helping to sustain these homes. To sweeten the donation, 5 tons of sugar is also being donated. For hygiene purposes, Agape Family Care has also donated 5 tons of washing soap, which will go a long way in making sure that the homes are well cleaned and the clothes are clean as well. Agape Family Care has also donated to the Angel of Hope Foundation 5 tons of sugar beans for a hearty meal that will go with the maize meal grain. What does this donation show? It shows that as a nation, in moments of crisis, we come together to help each other, because this is who we are as Zimbabweans.
We are here representing Agape Family Care, a brainchild of Mama Ruth Emmanuel-Makandiwa. Today we are happy to be associated with Angel of Hope Foundation and to make this donation on behalf of Mama Ruth. In our donation we have 100 tons of maize meal, 5 tons of sugar, 5 tons of sugar beans, 5 tons of laundry soap. Unfortunately, we could only bring a sample here because as you can see from this, it's about 115 tons So we were only able to bring about 6 or 7 tons just as a sample. The rest of the donation is at our Chitungisa church. We are very grateful for the work that Mama Auxilia is doing. I'm happy to say Mama Ruth is always happy to lend a hand, either in her personal capacity or through someone else. This is why the reason why Agape Family Care is around. This is not her first donation, I'm happy to say, and obviously it will not be her last donation.
It's my great pleasure to welcome you all here today. We've assembled to receive this donation from the Agape Family Care, which was founded by Mama Ruth Emmanuel-Makandiwa towards the Angel of Hope Foundation's COVID-19 food relief program. And we are very grateful that Mama Makandiwa, as a mother, has been working flat out in order to get these goods for us. She also has a foundation, this Agape Family Care, but nonetheless did not just think of her own work as she goes out, but she is also extended to Amai, Auxilia, Mnangagwa's foundation, Angel of Hope, knowing that Amai reaches all of the country as a mother to the nation. And we're very grateful as Angel of Hope for that kindness and for that partnership in remembering the underprivileged at this time when we need help in any and every form. So may God bless you all, bless your foundation and bless ours as we seek to do God's work in bringing relief to the people of Zimbabwe. I thank you.
Agape Family Care's Livelihoods program seeks to ensure that the most vulnerable within communities and those affected by the current COVID-19 lockdown crisis have access to the fundamental needs and rights of life.